Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Windy is installed and location permission is granted so maps load your local conditions quickly. Once done, open the app and immediately pick the map layer you need: wind, rain, waves, or radar, because this directs what you'll analyze. Next, make sure units match your tools. Choose km/h or m/s and degrees C or degrees F, so the numbers mean something to you. This avoids conversion errors later and speeds up decisions. Now you explore the map. Drag to the area of interest and pinch to zoom until the scale is useful for your plan. Then tap the Layers menu to enable overlays and pick the forecast model, like ECMOF or GFS. Different models give alternate forecasts, so compare them. Once selected, use the time slider to scrub through forecast hours or days. This shows how conditions evolve. If you need specifics, tap a point for detailed wind, gust, precipitation, and pressure numbers. Finish by pinning important locations and setting alerts for thresholds like wind speed or rain so you're notified automatically. Then validate your decision with Windy panels. Webcams, meteograms, and the 3D view give context and confirm the forecast trends. If something goes wrong, map tiles missing or wrong values, first toggle to a different model, then restart the app and make sure internet and GPS are active. This resolves most issues and keeps you confident in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.